So this is 10A question. They have asked you to construct a Turing machine and they have given you the string to derive by using the instantaneous description. Okay. See, this one also we have done in your class. Okay. That is for A, B, C. See, be it A, B, C, A power n, B power n, C power n. Okay. Or 0 power n, 1 power n, 2 power n, or 1 2 3 the power n, all are same only. Okay, only the symbols are different, but the concept, the way you will be doing the Turing machine will remains the same. Okay, so what is the sample input string that you will be getting over here? So if n is equal to 1 means you will be getting 1 2 3, n is equal to 2 you will be getting 1 1 2 2 3 3. Here they have given example for n equal to 3, right? So it is 3 1s, 3 2s and 3 3. So this is the input symbol, I mean a sample string that should be accepted by your Turing machine. Like how we have done the previous problem, that is your 9b, the same way only we will do this also. So we will here there they be had 2 symbols, right? Here we are having 3 symbols. So basically we will convert the 1 to x, 2 to y and 3 to z. That is how we are going to do the problem. Okay. Now we will write the how to solve this one we will write. I will take this one 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. Okay. I will add the blank over here. Sorry. So initially I am in the state Q0. Okay. What is the symbol I am going to read? I am going to read the symbol 1. Okay. So on reading 1, what I will do, I will change the 1 to x and I will move in the right hand side. Okay. And I will change the state also, because I am changing the symbol. I will change the state also from Q0 to Q1, right? So the 1 will become x. Okay. And I will move to the state Q1 and I am moving in the direction right hand side. Now I am seeing 1. What I will do, I will not do anything because my objective is to see a 2, not 1. So I will keep my 1 as it is and I will keep on moving in the right hand side direction. Okay. Now this will keep on repeating unless and until I am seeing a 2 over here. Okay. I am seeing a 2. I am in the state Q1 now also, right? Now what I will do, I have to change my 2 to y and I will move towards right, because one more symbol I have to see, that is the 3, right? So if I'm seeing a x, I should see a y and then I should change the 3 also to z, right? So I will be going to the state over here. I will be going to Q2. Okay. Now if I am seeing 2, the 2 remains 2 only and I will keep on moving in the right hand side direction. Okay, so I am in the state Q2. Here also I will be in the state Q2 only. Now I am in the state Q2. I am seeing a 3. What I will do, I have to convert that to z. Now I will move in the left hand side direction, because I have seen 1 1 1 2 and 1 3 symbol, right? Once all this 1 2 3 has been converted to xyz, I will go back to the initial state and I will redo the things, right? So now I am in the state Q2. What is the symbol I am reading? 3 is the symbol I am reading. What I will do, I will convert the 3 to z. Okay, I will mark this one neatly such that you don't get confusion between 2 and z. And which is the direction I'm going to travel? Left is the direction I'm going to travel. Okay, I will go to the state Q3 now. Now where my symbol will be, presenting over here. Okay, I am in the state Q3. So this 3 basically has become z. Okay, now Q3 I am reading to. What I will do, I will not do anything. I will keep on traveling towards my left hand side until I see my x. Okay, so the 2 will be remaining 2 only. I will be traveling to left hand side. Now my pointer will come here, right? For Q3, what is the symbol I am reading? Y. Y also I will not do anything. I will keep my y as y only and I will move towards left. Now if now if I'm moving towards the left, this 1 will be there. I will not do anything because my objective is to find the x. So it will be 1 will be 1 only, and I will keep on moving towards the left hand side direction. Now I will be coming over here. What is the state? Q3 is the state. Now what should I do? I will keep my x as it is, but I will change the state from Q3 to Q0 because I'm starting over from the first. Okay, x will be x, and I am changing the direction to right hand side because I have to change the next symbol 1 to x, right? So I am in the state Q0 now. Now what I have to do, I will change the 1 to x, and I will move the pointer towards the right hand side direction, that is Q1. Q1 on 1 comma 1, we will not do anything, so we will just move to the next right hand side. Now we are in the state Q1. Okay, Q1 on 1 on y, we didn't write any rule for that. Until my objective is on Q1 is I am waiting for the symbol 2. So my y doesn't make us difference. My y will be y only, and I will keep on moving towards the right hand side. Okay, now my pointer is here. I am in the state Q1 only. Q1 on seeing the symbol 2, what it will do? It will convert it to y, and it will go to the next symbol, and it will be in the state Q2. Q2 on seeing the toe, it will not do anything. It will move towards the right hand side. Okay, in the right hand side, what is the symbol I am seeing now? I am seeing Z. For Z, I didn't write any transaction. My objective is to find 3, not Z. So I will keep on moving towards the right hand side. Okay, now my pointer is in this one, that is Q3. Now what I will do, I will convert this 3 to Z, right? That is what we will do, and I will move the pointer towards the left hand side, right? So my pointer will come to the left side over here. Okay, and I am in the state Q3. Q3 on Z, what we will do? We will not do anything. We will just keep the Z as it is, and we will keep on moving towards the left side direction. Okay, my Z will be Z only. Okay, and I will keep on moving towards the left side. So my Q3 will come over here. Okay, 2 will be 2 only, and my Q3 will come here. Y will be Y only. My Q3 will come here. 1 will be 1 only. Now my Q3 is over here. Okay, it is seeing the symbol what? It is seeing the symbol X. Once I have seen the symbol X, I will go to the state Q0, and I will change the direction of my pointer also, right? So I will move my pointer over here. I am in the state Q0. Now what I will do, I will change that X and I will move the pointer to next position, that is my Y. Okay, now Y will be the same. I will keep on moving towards the right hand side direction. So basically I will come over here. What I have to do, I will convert the 2 to Y, right? So this 2 will be becoming Y, and my pointer will go to the state. If I am converting 2 to Y, it will go to the state Q2. Okay, Q2 on Z, it will be just moving the pointer until I am seeing the Y over here. So if I am seeing the 3 over here, we will convert the 3 to Z, and we will start moving in the left hand side direction. Okay, so this 3 will become Z, and I will be moving in the left hand side direction Q3 until where? Until I see the X. Till here Q3 will keep on moving in the left hand side direction. Okay, now I have seen the Q3. What it will do, it will Q3 on X, where it is coming, it is going to Q0, right? So it will come here as Q0, and it has changed the direction. Now I am in the state Q0. I don't know what to do for the Y because I have not written any transaction for the Y. So basically if I am seeing Y over here, it means that I have checked all the X and Y's. I mean I have converted all the 1 to X, Y, or 2 to Y, and 3 to Z. So I will go from Q0 to Q4 over here. The y will be y only. I will keep on moving towards the right hand side direction. Okay, so this will become Q4. Again I have y's, so all those y's I will keep as it is, and I will keep on moving towards the right hand side. Okay, so this y also will be the same. Now I'm having a z. What I will do, I will keep my z as it is, and I will keep on moving towards the right. So my pointer will come here, it will come here, it will see the blank. Once I'm seeing the blank, now what I will do, I will keep the blank as it is. I will move the pointer towards the right direction, but I will mark this as a final state. That is Q5 is my final state. So this is how you will represent your Turing machine for the given problem 1 power n, 2 power n, 3 power n. Okay, this is the Turing machine state transition diagram. We can see the diagram and we can write the transition table also. Okay, so what are the states we have? We have Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. Okay, so what is the input symbol we are having? We are having here 1, 2, 3, X, Y, Z. Okay, and B. Okay, now Q0 on seeing 1, where it is going? It is going to the state of Q1. It is converting the 0 to X and it is moving in the right hand side direction. Q1 on y. Okay, Q1 on 1, it is going to the state Q1 and it is keeping the 1 as it is and moving in the right hand side direction. Similarly for the 2, it is going to the state Q2. 2 will becomes y and we will move in the right hand side direction. Okay, and for the y, what we are doing, we are keeping in Q1 only, y will be y only, and we are moving in the right hand side direction. Okay, so for Q2, for 2 will be in 2 only. Okay, and we'll move in the right hand side direction. Similarly, z will be z only, right? Q2, z will be z only, we will move in the right hand side direction. On seeing the 3 alone, we will go to Q3, 3 will become z and we will move in the left hand side direction. Okay, now for Q3. Okay, Q3 is having transaction on 1, right? So we will be in Q3 only, 1 will be 1 only, we will moving in the left direction. 2 also, Q3 will be Q3 only, 2 will be 2 only, we are moving in the left hand side direction. 3 we don't have transaction. For X we are going to Q0, X will be X only, we are moving in the right hand side direction. Okay, for Y what we are doing, Y will be the same, Q3, Y left direction. For Z what we are doing the same, Q3, Z, L. Okay, rest of the things are null only. Okay, see if we are marking with blank means that there is no transaction for that particular symbol in the particular state. So the Turing machine will not do anything on that specific state, and it will be in the halting state. Okay, so mostly it will not have anything. Now for Q4, what we are doing, Q4 on reading y, it will be in Q4 only, y will be y only. Okay, and we will move in the right hand side direction. Similarly for z also, we will be in the Q4, it will be z only, move in the right hand side direction. If it is blank alone, we will go to Q5, blank will be blank, we will move to the right hand side direction. Rest of all is empty only. Okay, here we have not filled this one. If it is Q0 and if it is y, we will move to Q4. Y will be y only, and we are moving in the right hand side direction. Okay, see this itself quite enough for 10 marks. Okay, these people has given length of 9 string and asking you to derive instantaneous description for 10 marks. That will take really 2 pages to solve. Why they have given? they should have given a small one, but they have given a very large string for you to derive. Okay, so what they have given means for instantaneous description, it is starting with q naught, right? We are having the symbol 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. See, in class also I have derived A B B B C C C, and I remember teaching the sum for the whole period more than an hour, so it will take that much time to draw the diagram, put the transition table, and do the instantaneous description also. I mean, for teaching, but if you are well enough to do, you can do faster, like in 20 minutes you can solve this problem. Okay, so basically we are in q naught. 1 is the input symbol we are reading, right? So it will become x. We will move the pointer towards the right, that is q1. The remaining is 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. Okay, so q1, what we are doing, we are reading 1. What we will do, we will not do anything, we'll just move the pointer. So it will be x, okay, 1 q1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. Okay, we will again move the pointer towards the right, so it will be x 1 1 q1 2 2 2 3 3. See, actually I'm adding the blank in the last because we will be anyway moving after the 3, everything will be blank only. Okay, so now we are in the state q1, 2 is the input symbol. So if that is the case, we will convert the 2 to y, and we will change the state to q2, right? So it will be x 1 1 y, right? Q2, remaining is another 2 2's and 3 3's. Okay, the 2's will remain as it is only, so it is x 1 1 y 2 q2 2 3 3. So it will be x 1 1 y 2 2 q2 3 3 3 b. Why I am putting b in some part, why I am not putting b in some parts, nothing like that. You have to put b in everywhere. Okay, so q2, it is 3. What you have to do, q2 3, we will convert the 3 to basically 3 to z, and we will move the pointers towards the left hand side direction, right? So it will be x 1 1 y 2 q3, because we are moving in the left side direction, to z, because this 3 will become z 3 3 b. Okay, now q3, what is the input symbol we are having? 2. Okay, q3 2, what we will do, we will move towards the left hand side direction. So it will be x 1 1 y q3 2 2 z 3 3 b. Okay, q3 again 2. What we will do, we will move towards the left hand side direction. So it is x 1 1 q3 y 2 2 z 3 3 b. So q3, we are having y as the input symbol. We will just move towards the left hand side direction. So it will be x1 q3 1 y 2 2 z 3 3 b. Okay, so q3 1. q3 1 means what it will do, it will move towards the left hand side direction. So it will be x q3 1 1 y 2 2 z 3 3 b. Okay, so q3, again 1 is the input symbol, so we will move towards the left hand side direction. So it will become q3 x 1 1 y 2 2 z 3 3 b. q3, x is the input symbol. Now it will go to which state? It will go to q0, and it will change the direction also towards the right hand side. So it will be x q0 1 1 y 2 2 z 3 3 b. Okay, so q0, 1 is the input symbol. What we will do, we will change that 1 to x. So it will be x x q1 1 y 2 2 z 3 3 b. Okay, q1 and 1, what we will do, we will just move towards the right hand side until and unless we are finding a 2. So it will become x x1 q1 y 2 2 z 3 3 b. Okay, now we will just move towards the right. X, 1, Y, Q, 1, 2, 2, Z, 3, 3, B. Now we have seen a 2, right? So we will convert x 1, okay, y. This 2 also will be converted to y. This will be become q2. Okay, remaining 2 will be there. Z 3 3 b. Okay, so the 2 we will just move towards the right hand side. It will be x 1 y. Okay, 2 q2 z 3 3 b. So we are seeing the z only, so we will not change the state because it is remains the same only. x 1 y, okay, 2 z q 2 3 3 b. Okay, now what we will do, we have to change the second 3 to z, and the pointer will move towards the left hand side direction. So it will be x 1 y 2. Now it will come this side, right? So it will become q3, okay, and the remaining 3 will become z. Okay, already there is another one z 3b. Okay, now q3 is the state, z is the input symbol. We will just move towards the left. x 1 y q3 2 z, okay, 3b. Now q3 is the state, 2 is the input symbol. We will move towards the left, so it will be x 1 y q3 y, okay, 2 z 3. Now also we will move towards the left, so it will be x 1 q3 y 2 z 3b. Okay, again we'll move towards the left hand side. Okay, so it will become x q3 1 y 2 z 3b. Okay, again we'll move towards the left hand side, so it will be x q3 x 1 y 2 z 3b, right? So it is q3. What is the symbol we are going to read? X. So we will go to the state q0, and we will move the direction towards the right hand side. So it will become x q0 1 y 2 z 3. So q0 on 1, what we will do, we will change that to x. Okay, it will move to the right hand side direction. That will be q1 y 2 z, and it will be 3. Okay, sorry, I missed the blank over there. q1 y, we will not do anything. We will just move towards the right hand side until we are seeing the 2. So it will be x y q1 2, sorry, again another one y is there, right? Y 2 z 3 blank. Okay, so again it will be x y q1 2 z, okay, 3b. Now q1 2 is the input symbol. So what we will do, we will convert that to y. So this will become x y q2, okay, z 3 b. Okay, now what is the this is q2 z. We will keep on moving in the right hand side direction until we are finding the 3. So this will become x y z q2 z 3b. Okay, so now it will be x y z q3, sorry, 3b. Now we will convert this 3 to z, and we will move towards the right hand side direction. Sorry, I have marked this as q, sorry, this will be q2 only. After converting only it will become q3. Okay, so we are in the state x x x y y y. So this will come to left hand side, right? So it will be z q3 z z b. Okay, so basically it is x x x y y y q3 z z z b. Okay, again we'll move towards the left hand side only. So it will be x x x y y q3 y z z z b. Okay, q3 on y will move towards the left. X x x y q3 2 y's 3 z's b. X x x q3 y y y z z z b. Okay, so it will become what? It will become x x q3x, okay, y y y z z z b. Now q3 we are reading x. If it is q3 and we are reading x, it will go to which state? It will go to q0 state. So it will become x x x q0 y y y z z z b. See, even after converting all the x all the 1 to x y and z, see, in this step only everything has been converted, but your Turing machine will not stop because it doesn't come to the halting position. So it is going back, traversing back again to the left. It is checking whether we have converted all the 1 to x y and z, and and then it will come and halt at the q5. That's why we are doing we are keep on doing. So q0 y, it will go to which state? It will go to q4 state. Okay, now only we are entering q4. Still q5 is there. X x x y q4 y y z z z b. Okay, q4 on y, it is again x x x, okay, y y q4 y z z z b. Okay, now it will be x x x y y y. Why they have given only, I don't know. Simply they could have given a length of string 2 only. q4 z z z b. X x x y y y, it is z q4 z z b. X x x y y y z z q4 z b. X x x y y y, we are moving in the right hand side, so it will become z z z q4 b. Yep, finally we have reached this position. So your q4, the input symbol is b. What it will do? It will become x x x y y y z z z. q4 will this b will be here only. q4 will become q5. That's it. We have reached the halting state after the 2 pages. Okay, q5 is the final state, right? So we can prove that thus the given string accepted by your Turing machine. That's it. Okay, over.